Hey folks, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on what's going on with this dangerously cold air that's finally moving in. We've been advertising it for a couple of days, but now it's here. But we have a combination of alerts right now. There is a winter weather advisory in effect until 8 a.m. Wednesday, and that's because about 1 to 3 inches of snow or more could be possible with some lake effect that's setting up right over Livingston County as well as Oakland County. But on top of that, or underneath it, however you put it, we also have a wind chill warning that goes in effect around 6 o'clock tonight, so roughly in about 20 minutes, and then it's going to be with us all the way into Thursday morning. Wind chill values of negative 25 to 40 will be a possibility. The actual low temperature for tonight goes down to around negative 6. It's going to be record cold. When you factor in the wind chills, thanks to those winds from the southwest 15 to 25, it's going to feel like negative 30 at times. And we never really recover into the day tomorrow. May get a few peaks of sunshine, but even if we did, it's not going to help us out much. Going with a high of negative 4, as temperatures are going to fall again as we go towards your Wednesday night. We'll be at around negative 11. So this is dangerously cold air for some perspective here. Thursday mornings when it reaches its peak, we'll be averaging about negative 30 to negative 45 degrees with the wind chill. So this is some of the coldest air I've seen put out by these computer models. And it's the coldest air the Detroit metro area or either southeastern lower Michigan has seen in about 25 years. So it's rare air for sure, even for by winter standards. Now we do recover once we get out of Thursday, but Thursday hands down is going to be the coldest day that we've seen in quite some time. Starting off at around negative 14, we'll climb up maybe above zero briefly, but then we go right back below zero going into Thursday night. So by this point, you're probably wondering, okay, well, when do we actually recover? Here's your 7-day forecast. That's going to be the weekend. We'll get up to around 43 on Sunday, and then 45 on Monday. That comes with a chance of seeing some rain, and then we start to dry out as we get towards your Tuesday, but 40s are probably going to feel warmer than usual based on where we are right now. Hey, thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Kevin for your Wednesday morning.